We're back with a new update from Tampa Hills, and borders are open. We see people start coming and booking for the summer, so just hop on a plane and get over here. We're at Villa Boe, and here we see the sun terrace on our right, and there will be utility rooms here and another terrace above, and infinity pool here. Here up at the third terrace, we can see the roof structure is taking shape. There will be a green roof on all the terraces of Villa Boe, and yeah, up here we will see the walls coming in very soon. At Villa NN there is a lot happening. So we're pouring right now the slab for the lower bedroom. This will then be built up with columns, and then the infinity pool will be above here. So it is a super spectacular villa. Above the bedrooms here there will be a terrace, and then from the terrace you have the view of the entire bay and then the infinity pool. And the sunset is straight over there. Here at Villa V, the majority of the works is done, and we're waiting for the sliding doors and the panels and the kitchen to be installed, and I can't wait to see this villa finished and furnished. We're down at the workshop, and we're gonna have a look on what Matt's been doing over the last month about Villa Nabu roof. So let's have a little chat with Matt.
Okay, now you're looking at the 5 crests of the roof. They've been waterproofed, they're ready to go for site. And now let's have a look in the warehouse where we're doing the troughs. All right, so now we're looking at the incline part of the roof. So you saw outside, we actually have the crest of the roof. The crest of the roof is horizontal, but when the water flows down, it goes down into an incline part of the roof. This is what we're looking at, but it's actually upside down on the scaffold so we can do the plywood. Now, both of them have the same construction technique. They all use steel plates, they all have timber battens, and then they're covered with 4 layers of plywood on the underside and the top.
Last time when we were here, there were nothing here. We were walking through the trees, and this is the entrance road into Villa Awasi. It's designed by Castelutara, and it has this fantastic location overlooking the west and the south. So if you're gonna watch a sunset, you probably come to Awasi to watch the sunset. Here we are soon entering like the center of the villa. So the parking will be behind, and you would enter the villa out to the southwest. And it's angled like this, with an infinity pool in the front, and then lounge and social areas on the lower floor, and then some bedrooms on the top. Here we're digging for the footers of the south end of the villa, and it is designed according to this big rock location. So you'll have this in the terrace and on the end of the pool, so it's integrated into the villa, which is a super nice element. Here at Villa Tantiv, most of the foot cladders are being poured, and we're working with the formwork for the columns. And there will be bedrooms in the lower floor together with the kitchen and dining area here, overlooking the pool in an angle over the infinity. And then there is an angled bedroom on top of this villa, which is super nice. So I'm driving into Castelutara that we will start construct right after Ramadan, and it's in the end of this street here, so it has a big privacy. And yeah, the entrance road in here is just marvelous. If we look at all the trees, and just in 1 year I think the trees will start to do this tunnel and with shade, and yeah, it's just, maybe you can't see it, but here it's like so beautiful. I'm standing in the villa now, and there is like a peninsula going out on this lot where we will have the large infinity pool. It's a lap pool going out. So when you're sitting In the villa looking out to there, you have this long lap pole going out and the ocean in the background. It also have the sunset and the sunrise to that side. So soon everybody can experience Castelutara.